Hello lovers and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to whiten your teeth with sauce. Just pour little water inside a cup or anything. You can use Colgate toothpaste or you can use Pepsodent. Any kind of toothpaste you have, you can use it, but I prefer Pepsodent because it also helps to cure dental decay or dental problem you have. Just add little Pepsodent to the water you have provided. After adding this, you have to add 2 spoonfuls of salt to the water. 2 spoonfuls of salt. Just make sure that the water is little, that is not that big. Just little water will be okay. After you have added it, then you have to stir this ingredient together. Stir it very well. After stirring, then you have to add little Pepsodent, so the toothbrush you want to use, just add little to it, not big. Then you have to dip it inside the water you have made that is full with salt. Salt contains calcium, which helps for strong teeth. So after, you have to use it on your teeth to brush your teeth. You will use it at both corners just to brush your teeth, and it will work perfect fine. So you have used it on your lower jaw and also on your upper jaw. You have to use it on both sides of your teeth because it will also help for tooth decay and also helps to cure any kind of dental disease you have. So this is how you will do it. Just brush it very well. After you have properly brushed your teeth with this, then you have to wash it off with clean water. See how bright my teeth is. So good, so wonderful. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. They might use it.